Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A beige interior, sunroof. We've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, our wheel for our infotainment center, touchpad for the media display. This GLE has 41,671 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.